In this video, what we're going to cover is how to utilize the page layouts feature within the SiteOrigins page builder. So when we go to our dashboard, we'll go to our pages, and I just have a few populated from previous labs we did, so I'm just going to jump into one. There's no content yet, so this is kind of a perfect scenario for how we'll go about laying this out. So again, on the right hand side, you're going to just select page builder, and we've previously done the add rows and insert widgets. We can of course also use the pre-built layouts feature. So prior to getting to this screen, you may see a blue button just to enable it all. Just go ahead and click that, and then you have a lot of options you can go about using. So there's pages and pages of really what you can do. Just for this one, for example, if I go ahead and use African Animal Rescue or Charity Home, I add that in, loads it up. I can preview what that looks like now. And you can see it's already got a lot of stuff pre-built in there. Since this is a page, you may not want this information on the right hand side. You can just select full page width on page attributes, update that, and once it loads up, we'll preview again. And you can see just a really clean looking layout with just the click of a button, and all you have to do afterwards is just jump into these and edit them. So you can see you can open these frames. You just would customize them to choose your media. You may want to remove these images, they already have pre-built in there. But you can see it's quite easy to go about doing that. So if just another example, we'll jump into the pages. I will go to the contact page. We'll go back into the page builder, pre-built layouts, and you can see there's a few contact ones like Let's Chat, Simple Business Contact, Contact Design. I have not tried any of these yet, so we'll just go ahead freely into them. So we'll use the Let's Chat feature, press OK. I'm going to go with the full page width, and let's have a preview. So I'm just going to update that first. So you can see when I showed that to you previously, it did not look anything like this, but when I changed the page attributes to full page width, it did change significantly. So one thing you're just going to always want to keep in mind when you are adding these layouts, they generally are made for the full page width. Just going to do one last example before we finish off here. So again, just to reiterate all this, we jump into the page builder, we add a pre-built layout, and since I picked a user experience, if I could look to the best of my ability to find something of that nature, use this. And of course you can always customize this, that's what's great about the page builder. You go to that full page width. So if you want to edit anything, again, you want to just jump into the edit section here, you can see what it looks like. You can customize all that very easily. And just showing, so we have just an editor right here again. Contents there. Everything is very easy just to update what you're looking for. So we'll update all of that. We'll preview the changes just to show you. Again, we have a easy layout section that really just gives you that professional look to it. So for consistency purposes, you're going to want to remove parts like the social buttons may not be relevant on yours, and you just would take that row out. Sure, you update. And we'll refresh this once that wheel stops turning. There we go. and you can see now that social media aspect of it has been removed, so just you're not gonna worry about any inconsistency. And that's one thing will want to make sure is if you're using images or colors from these layouts, make sure that you change them in a way that they make sense. So you're going to want to change these background images, you're going to want to change the content, and make sure that it doesn't look like you just, as we did, imported a pre-built layout, customize it to the point where the end user wouldn't have really any idea of what you've just done with the page.